15-minute OTS starting to turn gray, so the buyers are trying to gain control. Buy is also gray. Qs is almost an inverse head and shoulders on Qs though, 15.
I'm back.
1 hour bull div on ES. 30-minute bull div on ES. 15-minute bull div on ES. Be nice if we could get back above VWAP. Which is currently at 329.21. We need Kudlow. Kudlow, I don't know, man. Kudlow, every time that guy talks, the market doesn't usually like it. Need JP. Market seems to like JP. Does the volume profile look like of this? Ooh.
We're in a gap.
Yeah, we're in a volume gap. You do have a value area low around 3,200. That'd be pretty dirty if we got down there.
That's where my butterfly is on SPX.
32.
3210.
Yeah. Pelosi said that now Trump will agree on stimulus. Said what? She said what? Pelosi said that now Trump will agree on stimulus. Not sure what you mean. I mean, if this triangle holds, this could be a very, very bullish move. Basically, she implied the Democrats are crashing the market. Oh, I gotcha. She's saying now that the market's going down a lot, Trump will agree on stimulus. I see what you're saying. Okay. Yeah, this is a combination of no stimulus and the European lockdowns. U.S. Speaker Pelosi, hopefully now Trump will come to the table on aid talks. Gotcha. So she just said that. That's why. Okay. Yep. That's how Pelosi is. Probably the most hated person in politics. Besides Trump, obviously.
I think the market got tired of waiting around for stimulus, and then the
Lockdowns were just it was the
lockdown.
match.
Yeah, that was the straw that broke the camel's back.
Yeah, I hedged properly. I just didn't hedge enough. This was probably more of a scenario that shouldn't have been hedged. It should have been where I hedged is not where I should have hedged. I should have flipped short. That's where I fucked up in hindsight. It wasn't a scenario that needed to be hedged. It was a scenario that needed to be changed completely. Hindsight's 2020 though. I did have a very strong feeling that we were going to go down to 3,300, but I thought I was going to have time to get out of my premium before we dropped to 3,300. That was my mindset. My mindset was take profit on my premium, then start to shift into a more of a bearish mindset, go down to 3,300, then flip bull. But it didn't play out like that. All of my contracts expire this Friday, so this pullback came too early.
Yeah, I kind of had an inkling that it would, but like you said, I didn't think it would drop this much
Yeah.
this quickly. I thought we would at least, you know, go down in stages, not get thrown
I
off a
thought
cliff.
I thought after the Monday sell-off and the Tuesday continuation, I was like, okay, now it shouldn't go down more than like 1%. This should be more of a consolidation, find support here. But then we nuked 2.5 today, so all good. Can't always be right. If I was always right, I'd be a millionaire. If trading were easy, everyone would do it. Biden stocks are green, weed, General Electric, renewable energy. What's yeah, TAN's up like 1%. The solar ETF.
What a disappointment on Microsoft earnings, right?
Yeah, I think all the earnings that have come out recently have been disappointments, price action wise. Didn't Microsoft beat earnings, but it just went down anyway?
Yeah,
Yeah.
bad timing.
Yeah, bad timing exactly. I think like Friday will be a good time to buy tech. I may like after all the earnings are done. See how the chart looks and maybe sell some premium on Friday. Microsoft's in like a massive distribution right now. Could be even seen as a head and shoulders.
Even Zoom is down.
Yeah, I think this move caught everybody off guard because even gold and silver are down. Dixie's up. Dixie's up 0.5%. Benviz map looks pretty damn bad. Yeah, I typically try to avoid looking at maps like that on days like today. The sector maps, the heat maps. Oh yeah. General Electric's green, pretty green actually. ADP is up. The only people who made money today are the people who are selling calls or buying puts. I made money on my VIX hedge and I made money on my sell calls that I had on Qs. Everything else got killed. I lost money on all of my SPY puts that I was selling. I lost money on my Nvidia, Qs. Good thing about selling premium is it's pretty easy to quantify like how much you're losing and how long it's going to take you to make it back. And I'm only down about a week's worth of gains. As long as I don't have back-to-back weeks, should be okay. I actually need to do something real quick. Give me seconds.
Macron ordered France back into COVID-19 lockdown.
What, he ordered all of France?
It came up on my news uh thing. My stock news
Yeah, yeah.
tape thing.
Alright, guys, give me 1 second. I'm looking for something on websites. Okay, I think I got it under control. Okay. Alright. Alright, so I got a quick announcement to make. I already made this in Discord, but I'm gonna make it on stream. We did actually have a complete redesign of our website. I can walk you guys through it real quick. And it's so much better than the last site. If you guys saw the last site, it was pretty much a mess. I did everything on the last site myself. It was not professionally done. I basically had to teach myself how to design websites and I was using all these different plugins that were bugging each other out. It was a nightmare to say the least. But now I actually had my website professionally done, and you guys can take a look at it here. Same exact domain, so oasistraining.io, and we confined everything to a couple of pages instead of the old website where it was like 10 plus pages. Um, so the first page here, the home page, the services, testimonials, performance, this is all one page. You can go through here and you can look at our partners. We're partnered up with Webull, TrendSpider, NinjaTrader, Kinetic. You can go through and read about our services and kind of what we offer. It talks a little bit about what our Discord offers and what you guys get for signing up. We got a couple of testimonials here from a few of our guys in Discord. I appreciate you guys. And then we have a couple of screenshots from our recent performances. These are gainers that people have put in our Discord as well. We're probably going to make a separate page for testimonials to throw in like all of our testimonials. This is just kind of a snapshot of a few of them. So you can take a look at that. Little descriptions with me and JMA. And then we have our Discord page here. You can go through and learn more about our Discord. We have our different payments here. I need to update this video because I just went ahead and redesigned the Discord actually yesterday. I'm going to put in a new video probably tomorrow, so keep a lookout for that. And then if you guys are interested in our indicators, we have it confined down to one page. The old website was like what, 5 pages, 6 pages. So now it's all on one page. You can take a look at each indicator. And that's it. If you guys sign up for free, you just put in your email. You don't have to put in your credit card information or anything like that. It will give you access to the trading course. So it'll send you a PDF of the trading course. You'll also be able to look at the trading course on the website. And we'll also send you guys little offers and stuff in your email every now and then. So if you guys want to sign up for that, you can. But with that said, we are changing to a new payment processor. So we were on PayPal. Now we're moving on to Stripe. And since Black Friday is going to be coming up in November, we only open up the Discord once a month. So we're just going to do the Black Friday discount for the entire month. So we're going to be doing 30% off the Discord, which is going to drop it down to, I believe, $139 for the monthly. I'm not sure what it drops the quarterly down to. Let me see. Drops the quarterly down to $349. So that will be available for our current subscribers. So if you guys are currently in the Discord already and you guys want to resub, you can use the coupon and it will resub for you. Or if you guys are new and you want to check the Discord out, you can do so as well. The coupon code is going to be Black Friday. And it's going to give you 30% off either the monthly or the quarterly. So the people who did my website, I'm going to share with you guys a couple of links. If you guys would like to get a website done. They were absolutely fantastic. Here is their socials. This is their social on Facebook and Instagram if you guys want to check them out. I believe that is their website as well. Let me double check. Yeah, here is their website if you guys want to check them out. They did absolutely everything for me. They set up the website, they made the graphics, they did the back end stuff for me where they got it all situated with Discord. So it's fully integrated with Discord. It does all my my plans for me. It kicks people automatically, invites them automatically. I basically did nothing. I just gave them little tips on kind of how I wanted my website designed and little things that I wanted added. But for the most part, they did just about everything. So if you guys are looking for website design, definitely hit them up. They do great work. They really helped me out throughout the entire process. That is it for the announcement. So like I said, code is Black Friday for anybody that wants to resub or any new subs. We're going to be opening up probably 10 slots in November. So we're going to do 10 slots for November and then we're going to close it down again. I really like where ES is holding. I think if ES holds here for the rest of the day, we could actually see a recovery tomorrow. Not a full recovery, but at least a slight recovery. This trend line that it's holding is a very strong trend. I would like to at least see a pullback towards the previous all-time high around 3,400. By the end of the week, I would like to see probably at least 334, 335. Hopefully not above 335, because that means I could have held on to my sell premium. Sorry, I'm posting my announcement in Discord.
I knew Snap was gonna perform because of the raids of the PT, but I just didn't think it was gonna be today. I thought it was gonna be like tomorrow or Friday. Like what the hell?
What is it actually going up when the market's dying?
Yeah, it's going up, and I think it might. I mean, if they still correlate, it might bring Facebook up because like all social media apps, they just following Snapchat because of like how good their earnings were.
Got a clean 4 hour. Snapchat does.
And I have a feeling that everybody that was in the antitrust like court committee thing, it's like they're all gonna be earnings. Microsoft was like the scared of like big tech. They see that it nuked, but then again, the expectations is it was like really close.
We were selling premium on Snap about a few weeks ago, and it was like in the 20s. Now it's at 43.
Yeah, a while ago. Yeah, definitely. Wu-Tang. Wu-Tang was big in Snap. He still is. He's holding like farther dated calls. I should have went deep when me and Wu-Tang were talking months ago, and I was talking about that inverse head and shoulders on Snapchat Weekly. I called that out like damn near 2-3 months in advance. Look at that thing now.
Watch Neo.
Oh,
I
wow, yeah.
feel like Neo might pop in today.
You hit your measured move and still went higher. Yeah, Neo. We were talking about that when you were gone, Johnny. Neo is holding up nicely.
Yeah, man. And the funny thing is, like, I feel like Tesla's just still consolidating. Like, what the? It's crazy.
Yep. It won't get above that 450. It's just struggling.
It just literally has me feeling like Thursday, Friday is gonna pop hard.
Yep.
Cause next week is also the election, so if like you gotta think about it, some people are probably gonna if they think Biden's gonna win, there's gonna be people that's gonna be picking up Tesla because everybody said that Biden wins, the energy, solar, everything, Tesla should rocket.
Yeah, John, I feel you with the full recovery, man. I don't need a full recovery. I need a week to get back. Probably take me minimum of 3 to 4 days, maybe a week, depending on how my next lot of premium go. The thing with premium is I can't take a break. You know what I mean? Like it's an income strategy. You have to keep going. Keep selling, keep finding levels that you like, sell as much as you can, because that's where the probabilities come into effect. You just keep it going, you sell as much. Well, don't overdo it, right? Don't sell too much. But sell a decent bit every week. Keep those probabilities in place.
I think Neo is a good chance it's gonna gap up tomorrow. The more and more I look at the daily chart,
The volume is like the only sketchy thing on Neo is like it doesn't want to pick a direction. I called this out earlier, VWAP on SPY. We're actually above it now. We have about 25 minutes left. We'll see if we close above it.
So what did they actually talk about in the whole antitrust thing? I just heard that the Europeans, they're gonna charge big tech like somewhere around like 100 billion or something like that.
Didn't actually watch it, but I watched like the little highlights on Twitter where Ted Cruz was grilling him. The funny thing is how many
Ted Cruz is a creepy looking dude.
yeah, he looks like the Zodiac killer. But
Yes, yes, he does.
how many times are they gonna have Senate hearings about the same thing with no action, right? They're gonna keep slapping the tech companies on the wrists and they're not doing dick about it because they're probably heavily invested in these tech companies.
It's a dog and pony show.
Yeah, they're doing it. They're doing it to say they they did something, but they don't actually care.
Yeah, Facebook is only the #1 social media app in the world, so it's like I think they're still gonna be earnings.
I think if anybody gets in trouble, it's gonna be Twitter, because Twitter's the one that's playing hardball. Facebook kind of doesn't do it as much anymore. They still do it, but Twitter definitely they're playing with fire.
I feel like they aim at like the like smaller tech companies that's trying to come up, you know? Because out of all the tech, Facebook and Twitter is practically like they've been performing. Like we haven't been seeing Alphabet like that. I mean, and like all the other techs like perform how like these other companies been performing.
Yeah, Google hasn't been as much of a big name lately.
But yeah, the big techs has only been Facebook that's been doing like a lot of moves, like towards the future to like progress and everything.
Yeah, did you see Jack Dorsey in that video, John? He looked like a bum. He looked homeless. Well, that bounce got sold off pretty quickly.
How is this legal? Like, who's giving like these people my phone numbers? The one that be like, "Oh, vote now." Oh, you seen what Biden's been doing? You seen what Trump's been doing? Like, how do these people have my number?
Good question. He looks like he belongs in Antifa. That's pretty accurate. Not a good sell off here, right at the end of the day. I'm playing with fire, but I might. I don't know. I probably shouldn't. I'm holding my cues. but I probably should just let him go. I am hedged though. I'm holding VIX still.
I'm still holding all my positions. I just think this was
John, it's our Discord group. That's the group that we talk in all day. So we use YouTube and Twitch for the streams. Then we talk in Discord. That's what that's what I was talking about earlier with the Black Friday deal. We're having a Black Friday deal all month. Well, until the slots are gone. We're selling 10 slots in November, 30% off, and then we're closing it up. First time we've ever done a discount on the Discord. It was a good timing though. We have Black Friday coming up, Thanksgiving coming up, and we have the new website being finished. Kind of bad timing with the markets, obviously. The market's dying, but that's good for you guys though. You get a cheaper price for the Discord.
shit. You also get a cheaper price with stocks if you enter now. Goddamn.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Get a discount. This is the Black Friday deal on SPY.
On everything.
30% off SPY. What are we at already? We're at like 15 or 10. Yeah, we're almost at 10%.
Snapchat is not stopping. Snapchat's been moving every week, the whole week, every single day.
Yeah, I think Snapchat finally blowing people away that they're actually making money now.
Yeah, it's definitely being accumulated.
I think their last earnings was like what, their first major profit.
Yeah, and that's why Facebook moved, because it's saying that with them having good earnings is practically saying that, you know, the leadership of Facebook was good, because, you know, they progressed a lot.
John, he said that came out wrong about YouTube. I meant to say, what platform do you use to talk all day? Because I'm not on my computer, I'm on mobile. Yeah, we use Discord. Discord is what we use for voice and like text chat. We have a lot of guys on mobile who are hanging out at work or driving around for work, and they hang out in either voice chat and Discord or the text chat. Hey, Sneaky, what's going on? King Bitcoin? Yeah, Bitcoin, man. Bitcoin's been making money. I'm still holding a long. I've been holding a long. I can't remember where, since like somewhere around 12. My bot went long, and then I just turned the bot off, and I just kept the long open. Somewhere down here. I'm thinking about logging in and probably closing it today or tomorrow. Taking profit on it. Where is it? Let me take a look. Trading bot. Yeah, it opened a long, and this was the last time it longed. You can see it's been longing all the way up. It longed way down here, closed for profit. I think that was a small loss. Big profit there, profit there, profit there. And then this was the last long, 11.9.
You're kidding me. I just sold my Hertz call. It's up 10% out of nowhere. Oh man, how this works.
What do you mean, Sneaky? Cloud call? Not sure what you mean. Yes is turning white on the OTS, so the buyers are definitely stepping in here. If you guys weren't here in the morning in the Discord, I was going to do our our expansion of the credit spread video on Saturday. I'm gonna do that probably. See how I feel later today. I might do it later today. If not, definitely tomorrow. So within the next 2 to 3 days, I'll have that released on the Discord. I'm gonna be going over credit spreads, like what I look for, what the strategy is, stuff like that. We talked about it already in one of our recent videos, the advanced options video. But I'm going to speak specifically on credit spreads this time. You ever think the government will unban CFDs? No, I don't think so. Not in America. There's no point to, really. We have everything. We have everything. I mean, if the only way I could see them unbanning CFDs is if they get rid of the PDT rule as well, which I don't think they're gonna do. I have heard from really good sources that there's a lot of brokers coming together and trying to fight back against the PDT rule, but they've been trying to fight back against that for decades. Oh, you said buy the dip everywhere, equities, crypto, 2021 big bull market incoming. We'll see, man. I think once the coronavirus fears kind of die out, the market should be rocketing. Because a big chunk of the market you got to think about is the hospitality industry, right? Restaurants, hotels, casinos, cruise lines, air travel, all that stuff, right? That's all getting killed by Corona. And it still is to this day. Even though the lockdowns are not as severe, they're still hurting the industry. Once those are all lifted and we're kind of back to normal or as close to normal as we can get, the market should be very bullish. Because more travel leads to more spending, right?
I'm gonna get off for now. Freaking cat got out again.
Oh man, good luck.
I'll see you guys later.
Have a good one. Isn't the market being propped up by trillions of dollars by the Fed? Not anymore, really. I mean, it was at the bottom. It was definitely being propped up by stimulus and all kinds of Fed money. They stopped doing that like a couple months ago. But the price is propped up from that point, if that makes sense. They're not propping it up anymore, but it's propped up from back when they were doing it. They were putting in like 200 to 300 billion dollars, the billion, every day. Yeah, John, I can show you. Give you guys a little sneak peek. So I just redesigned our Discord, so it looks a little different. But this is like what Discord looks like. It's just a bunch of different channels. For the most part, we only use a couple channels. So we use like analysis where I post levels, crypto analysis where we post like crypto levels. These are all of our trades that we post. Gains channel for people to show off their gains. This is like the text chat channel where we're all hanging out during the day. And then we have voice chat down here. And then I've got all my trading, like my trading tips and mentorship videos. All of our exclusive stuff for Discord is up here. Yeah, that's basically what it looks like. It's just like a chat room, I guess you would say. You can access it from your desktop or from your mobile app, yeah. And it's got voice chat, text chat, all that stuff. what we focus on in the Discord is the educational side of trading. So I go over like why I'm taking trades and what looks good, how to find levels, all that stuff. I always explain like why I'm taking each trade that I do and what we're looking for. The difference between our group and, because there's a lot of different groups that you can join for stocks and equities and options. The main difference in our group is we voice chat from open to close. So I'm trading live from open to close every single day. JMA's here most days. He's been busy recently, but most days he's here. And we've got a couple of other traders that hang out with us as well. There's no delay either. When we take trades, we post them instantly. A lot of other groups, they take trades, they wait for them to be profitable, then they post them. And the difference between their entry and your entry is quite different. Every week I post a summary of markets video that goes over my thoughts on each market. I look at SPY, Bitcoin, gold, oil, Ethereum. And then I do an options watch list where I cover all the different options and stocks that I'm looking for that week. And then every single day after that, I post daily analysis levels for levels to watch on big name companies. Yeah, we try to be as honest as possible, obviously. We like, I don't talk about my account size. JMA doesn't really talk about his account size. But we post our trades, every single trade start to finish. There's no way for us to lie. If you're in voice chat with us, I can't lie about my trades because I'm taking them literally live in voice chat. We also have a spreadsheet that me and JMA have been doing, specifically on our premium selling. Because I was talking to guys in Discord about this today. With the volatility right now, with the election, coronavirus, all the stuff that's been going on, we've been trying to shift more into a selling focus. We're looking at doing more of an income strategy where you sell premium every single week. So we started a spreadsheet where we're covering all of our premium trades, so we can show people that you can make money selling premium, even though that it doesn't look like the risk reward is very good, and it looks like something that you should never do. It kind of breaks all the rules when it comes to risk reward. But we're showing people that that's not the case. Really, you can make money doing it. DC Avenue said tuning in every couple days has been awesome. Yeah, man, I appreciate you guys being here. It's been great having you guys on YouTube. The YouTube's been blowing up recently. Twitch has kind of always been the same. We get people who stop by every now and then. YouTube is definitely my main platform at this point. We also just started a free Facebook group. If you guys haven't joined that already, let me grab a link for that. A 100% free group. We post levels in there every now and then. Let me take a look. Where's the link? So here's our Facebook group if you guys want to check that out. Did I just accidentally close the chat? Give me a second, guys. I can't see your chat. I just accidentally closed it. Alright, it's back up now. I think with this end of day sell off, I have to close my Q's position here. I was gonna hold it for like one more day, but I can't. With this end of day sell off, I can't. I'd be breaking all my rules to hold this. See if we can get filled to get out of this. There we go. All right, so I just closed our Q's position. What do we close at? 108. Update that in my channel.
Man, that tracking collar I got came in handy. Found her next door right away.
Nice.
It if it had been tomorrow, I'd been screwed because the battery was going out on the thing on
Oh,
the
yeah.
brake. Yeah.
Yeah. Does it
It
like
was at
show you
1%.
exactly where she is, or is it just like beep?
It shows you within like 10 feet.
Gotcha, that's pretty good.
What it is I have to put a SIM card in it. So it uses like the phone GPS that you have on a phone. It uses those signals on a smaller device. So I had to put a SIM card in it and pay like $5 a month
Gotcha.
for it so it can use the cell phone towers. But it wasn't getting the signal at first and it showed 1% battery. I'm like, oh man, it died. But then finally she moved to a point where it got a signal and it showed she was next door. I go and I look, she's hiding underneath a car.
Holy shit, we are melting right now.
Oh, wow. That, oh my God. Kiff. Oh, I see. Holy crap. That butterfly we took is up huge. Dude, you've made the price that you got filled at, you've got to be up at least 100% now. $300-400 a contract. It's in one of our wings now, isn't it? Well, it's getting close, but we got 50 wide wings on that butterfly, so should pay good once it gets in those wings.
Another VWAP failure. 3 minutes until close, guys. Final target on the bearish trade, for anybody taking the like bearish way down, is 323.77. You've hit every single fib target on the way. This thing is just getting murdered. 2 gaps now that have gone unfilled. Did you set it up as like a butterfly trap, like below price?
Yeah, it was below price, but I got pretty wide wings because I don't know exactly where it's gonna stop, but I targeted 32.10. But like my wings are 32, 32.60, 31.60.
Gotcha.
In the middle is 32.10.
You said for next Friday?
No, for this Friday.
Oh, this Friday. Nice, nice.
Yeah, so the premium's gonna start coming off of it if we get into the range within the next day or two.
Yeah, John, I've basically wiped out last week's worth of gains on my account.
We've got 6 points to go. Well, it wicked the top of the butterfly. So tomorrow, if we keep going down, we're inside the butterfly at 32.60 on one end.
The bell's about to ring. It's not saving us. We're not saved by the bell. Thing is still nuking. There's the bell. Now, I don't think I have to ask, but I'll ask anyway. Green or red on the day? Okay,
I made it
actually,
back with that butterfly I took.
actually, a decent amount of you guys are green. That's not bad. Oh, Sticky made good money on his VIX trade. Nice. Yeah, my VIX position saved me from a big hurt because it covered all my losses on my SPY trades. The Q's position hurt me pretty bad because that was a full size position, so that hurt. And then my small account got wrecked because of the sell off. Main account not too bad though. I'm down about probably about 7.5%, somewhere around 7.5%, 8%, which sounds like a lot, but we've been averaging about 10% a week on gains. So we're just down a little bit of our gains that we made the past month or two. Not a big deal. Not a big deal. Now, if this next wave of premium that I sell gets burned, then it will start to hurt. But I'm going to sell a little further out on this next wave because of the volatility. Yeah, I'm hoping green day tomorrow, John. We'll see. It lost this trend line. I don't like that. It needs to instantly bounce tomorrow to reclaim this trend line. If not, it's not looking good. This is a pretty brutal sell-off.
Surprisingly, I'm only down, like, I'm still up on Neo, but I'm only down for the day 5% on Neo.
Not bad. What's VIX at? What did VIX close? VXX, where you at? 27.73. Yeah, so it's good that I rolled that. It's too close to my target. My original target was 28. Too close. All right, well, I don't want to look at this any longer. I don't think anybody else does, so I'm going to call it a day. Appreciate you guys being here as always. Like I said, if you guys are interested in Discord, we're going to be having a Black Friday deal all month long. First 10 slots, and then we're closing it. Code is Black Friday on the website. Just go to sign up to either the monthly or the quarterly on the website. It should ask you for a code, and then type that in. It'll give you 30% off. Besides that, I think that's all I got for you guys. I'm going to probably make that video either tonight or tomorrow. So be on the lookout in Discord for that income strategy video. And then this Saturday, I'll be doing a butterfly video to go over butterflies. So that's all I got for you guys. Appreciate you guys being here as always. I'll be streaming tomorrow, 9 a.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Eastern. I'll be in Discord all day. Later today, probably around 8 or 9 o'clock, I will be posting some levels in our analysis channel. All right, guys. You guys have a good one. Stay safe. See you tomorrow.